This is Qwopus Coder, a thinking off coding agent built on Qwen 3.635 billion A3B, 35 billion total, but only 3 billion active per token thanks to mixture of expert. The whole pitch here is not reason longer, it's the opposite. Do more real agentic work like read, edit, run, fix with fewer tokens per step. That's the claim we are putting on the table today, and we are going to make it prove it live with Hermes Agent. This is Fahad Mirza, and I welcome you to the channel. Recently, I have started this free weekly AI newsletter, which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. I will drop the link in first pinned comment. Let's get right into the configuration and testing, and we will talk more about this model. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description. And now let me download this model. This is going to take a minute or so. While that happens, let's talk more about what exactly this MTP means within the model's name. As you can see here, it says Coder MTP GGUF. This is what MTP is. Normally what happens is that a model predicts only one token one at a time, then feeds it back in and predicts the next. One forward pass per token. MTP adds extra prediction heads that draft the next couple of tokens at the same time of the same hidden states that the model already computed. Those drafts get verified in the same pass. The ones that match are kept for free. So you get more tokens per forward pass, and because the heads are baked into the weights, there is no second draft model to load. So that is what MTP is, and we have covered it a lot on the channel. If you want, you can just search it out, and I'm sure you'd be able to find a lot of videos around it. And meanwhile, the model is downloaded. And now let me serve this model with llama.cpp. And on the second last line, you can see that I have specified MTP. So draft MTP switches on the model's built-in draft heads here in this line, and then speculative decoding with no second model, and max3 is how far ahead it drafts. This line is the entire efficiency test what we are going to run here. Okay, so I will just let this one serve the model, and we will go to the next terminal. So I'm just going to open this. Let me show you VRAM consumption. So consuming just touch over 23 gig of VRAM in this quant. And next up, I'm going to wire it up by creating a profile in Hermes and just pointing it to the endpoint which we have just set. And for the first test, I'm going to use this call center dashboard where I'm going to search this customer, and you can see that there is an error there. Instead, I should be looking at some call history. I should be able to log new calls, view stats like average, handle time, but that is not working. This is a full stack application with fast API backend, SQLite, plain HTML frontend, and it is not working because it's got bugs planted in it. And I'm going to hand it to Qwopus running locally with Hermes, and it has to find and fix them on its own. No hints at all. I'm not going to even single shot it. Just to quickly show you the bugs, so you can see that this is a front end index.html. The bug is that it is on port 9000. It is pointing, backend is on 8000, so nothing loads. Similarly, if you check out the main.py in backend, there are various bugs planted here. Before I run it, I'm also going to remove these comments so that model won't be able to even get that hint. Okay, so let me quickly remove the comments. Let's start Hermes chat with this profile, Qwopus. And the model is running. Let me give it this prompt, which is simply asking it or giving it a goal, and it has to figure it out. It has to reason through as what bugs are there and how to fix them. Let's run this and let it loop through. And model has fixed all the bugs and also have verified everything which it has done so far. Let me first test the application and we will then check the logs to see if there is any MTP improvement or not. Let me now refresh this browser and let's search that name again of Alice, and this time it works. And this is where the backend is down. Let me bring it up. Backend is running. I think Hermes missed it to start it up anyway. So let's check it out because model's response should be able to at least fix this. That is it. The model has fixed it, which is quite good. Let's log a call. I'm just going to go with maybe Bob, and then agent is Morgan. Let's go with refund request resolved, and maybe I will just give it 170. Let's log a call. It has been logged. Let's check, and a refund request is there. So the error has been fixed. Let's now check out the Llama server logs for MTP improvement. So these are the logs of our Llama server from llama.cpp. I have just pasted here in VS Code the whole log just to show you the relevant lines. So look at this line at 568, draft acceptance is equal to 0.98770. 98% of drafted tokens accepted. Almost every guess was right. So it's getting multiple tokens per pass. That is the headline here. Also, check out this line, eval time, where maybe I will show you the exact line which I wanted to show you. I will copy paste it here. I had to go through with a magnifying glass to find all of these. Okay, so look at this. Sorry, I'm just going to search it. Now look at these lines at 55 or 56 or 57. So sort of around 160 tokens roughly a second on a 35 billion single A6000. That's MTP paying off. And if you go through this log, there are various examples where it was making a lot of passes. As you can see, it is using this draft MTP again and again and again, guessing, selecting token, and then just adding to our efficiency. And that's exactly why I covered this model. Qwopus is a thinking of coder fine tune whose whole pitch is efficiency. And with MTP baked into the weights, we saw it. It found and fixed the bugs on its own, verified its own work, and did it at 160 tokens a second with near 98% draft acceptance on a single GPU card. No second draft model, no extra download. The speed comes free from heads trained into the model. That's the advantage in one line. Same agentic work, more tokens per pass, less waste. That's the whole reason MTP matters for local coding agents. Let me know what do you think. If you want to help out the channel, please become a member and follow me on X for any AI updates. Thank you for all the support.